Did you know that the maned wolf is actually not a true wolf? It's a unique canid found in South America, known for its long legs and distinctive appearance. One incredible thing about the maned wolf is its vocalizations, which include a unique roaring bark that can be heard over long distances. This allows them to communicate effectively in their expansive grassland habitats. Not only that, but maned wolves also have an unusual diet, primarily consisting of fruits like the tasty libera, or wolf apple, making them one of the few canids that are omnivorous. What's more surprising about this fascinating animal? Have you heard of the maned wolf before?